Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to download the DrawNames Secret Santa app on your iPhone. So if you want to download the DrawNames Secret Santa app on your iPhone, but you don't have to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now DrawName is an app from where you can simply draw the name and we simply play the games with the friends and gift them according to the names which you get. So to do it, you just need to open the app store on your iPhone and make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on device. And after that, you'll see various options at the bottom taskbar, or you'll see the option of search box at the very top. So from here, you just need to search the option which says draw name. So here you'll see the option like this: draw name secret Santa app, and you'll see the option of get highlighted on blue at the very top. So click on it. Now it asks you to verify. So click on the option of install, and after doing all of it, you'll be able to successfully install the DrawNames app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.